The overall objective of my game is for students to understand and apply multiple means of representation, engagement, and action and expression. Students in this game are presented with a scenario in a third grade class in Mrs. Heiser. Now, at first, students will see the scenario, and the learner is going to select continue and is then furthermore presented with a question. The student can choose either the correct answer or the incorrect answer, and both of these are given feedback to the student. For example, if the student selects the wrong answer, there is an explanation and feedback for the student. The student is then asked to try again. If the student then selects the correct answer, the student will further get feedback not only from the facial expression of the teacher, but also in writing. Furthermore, the learner will be getting more examples of multiple means of representation and more examples of this as well. Additionally, the student is confronted with another question. Again, the student can choose the incorrect answer or can choose the correct answer. Now, again, if the answer is correct, the student will get feedback, as well as if the student selects the wrong answer. The learner will then select continue and will be getting more examples that represents multiple means of engagement. The learner will select continue, and lastly, a third question will appear. Once again, the student will select multiple means of engagement or will select the wrong answer. Again, the teacher will provide the feedback via the facial expression, but also in writing. Lastly, there are some more examples for the multiple means of action and expression. Lastly, there's a quick summary that represents the different parts of the universal design for learning. Lastly, there are some additional tools that I have created for the learner to view the different tools in a classroom. If you scroll to the bottom, I've inserted a labeled graphic. On this graphic, learners are able to click on each of these buttons, and they're then able to see what the tool is and whether or not it is a multiple means of representation, engagement, or action and expression. Students may click on all of these and may use these for their final project in the course that I have created. Students may also use these tools to include them in their actual classroom.